existing conditions is probably the most important thing to understand in terms of evaluating a space as an opportunity. What's around you? Is there parking below? Is there storage? What's to the side of me? Do I have other tenants? What's above me? Is it residential? Is it office? Really understanding the environment you're going into. What was the prior use? Was it an existing restaurant? Was it a retail space? Is it a cold, dark shell where there's no HVAC, no lighting, no life safety? Really just basics. Can it be vented if I need to be a restaurant? Is it type 1 or type 2 exhaust available? If not, can I put it in myself? Things like what utilities are serving the premises. Is there electric? Is there gas? These are kind of key important things to understand depending on your use. Parking, depending on where you are in the suburbs or in the city, understanding the parking and how the parking is accessed, if it's available to your customer base or your employees. Things like outdoor space, do I have a patio? Do I have ability to kind of beautify my storefront? Things like that are kind of key to understand. Is there kind of a load factor, like is the usable space actually what I'm renting, or is there some type of load factor that's put onto the space that is going to change my economics overall? Can I load the space easily? Do I do it from the back, from the front? Same with trash, recycling, those type of things. And then just egress, depending on your use, you may need multiple egresses or ways to get in and out of the space. So really understanding the existing conditions is kind of key to evaluating an opportunity.